Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400, quick believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. I don't know if I just feel like Super Saiyan cogency today. You understand? But I don't know. First to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a cogency upon a cogency reacts. Channel. Boxing on your face to the youth. Anyway, don't know, we have Abra Cadabra with the daily Duppy up on GRM. GRM with these daily Duppies, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You see, press play, we plugged in with Fumes. GRM daily with the daily Duppy. Mixtape madness with the behind bars. I'm mad about bars. And next up, freestyle. And bro, like the UK just have so much platforms just for showcase the talent them, dog. I love it, dog. Just big up, you understand? Big up the fucking UK, you understand? Every time. I mean, you know what I'm saying? You UK niggas show love to, bro, because you can say the growth on the channel has been crazy, bro. I start from 0, and there are 1,000 subs. So big up everybody for 1,000 subs. If you subscribe, big up yourself. If you don't subscribe yet, just subscribe now, just to make me feel good, you understand? It don't mean anything, bro, literally. You're not going to lose anything if you click the subscribe button. So just help me out, man, click the subscribe button. But yeah, talking way too long, fam. I wanted to say that I don't think I've done an abs review on the channel, a reaction on the channel. Maybe I have, let me know in the comments. But I've been listening to abs from robbery days, you understand? From Ottawa days. Man, shut your man, you know, bad blood. Shut your man, you know, bad blood. Aye, you understand? Real. He is the real definition of aggression. You understand? So I don't want to waste no time, man. I want to jump in at this. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. Let's jump into this shit. Bitch. Gang. I abs. I abs. I abs. I abs. I abs.
So you know, AB in the building, selling shit. Nowhere, get right, get left, get
1-7.
10 times, you know.
You know, show.
Now it goes already.
Gang.
Up or get a chest up. Where your vest does.
Oh, you know it. Oh, you know it.
Turning over a new leaf. I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I've been rapping for my family, sake my people gotta eat. But lately, all I see is pussies talking shit on Instagram and sending out tweets. Some nerve. If I weren't the way out, I'd grab my strap and get to scheming. For my nigga Kush, how you feeling? Come and stop somebody's breathing. Real block demons pull up on your block. The ops know how we forward in the evening.
Nah, this drop, it's about to drop and I'm about to lose my fucking mind, bro. I'm about to punch this microphone over, fam. You know what? Let me bring it back. You understand? And I also saw that Kush, Cash. I also saw that Cash is free. You understand? For doing some time for the thing. You understand? So don't know. Fresh home Cash and big up Kush. Kush need to drop a song, you know that. The OFBA holders them need to drop some song, you know. But anyway, bruv, I'm taking this back.
Turning over a new leaf. I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I've been rapping for my family, sake my people gotta eat. But lately,
I like how him keep it real with you, bro. Him not tell you say him out there shot, man, in them head. He want to say, bro, I ain't been in these streets for a minute fam, I've been rapping so my family can eat. Because we see it, bro. We listen to Abs. Abs get millions of views for years now. So we know that Abs has been gone clear. You understand? So him keep it real. I like that. But anyway, let's continue.
I've been getting itchy car, I ain't been in these streets. I be rapping for my family, sake my people gotta eat. But lately, all I see is pussies talking shit on Instagram and sending out tweets. I'm nuts. If I weren't the way, I'd grab my strap and get to scheming. For my nigga Kusa, how you feeling? Come and stop somebody's breathing. Real block demons pull up on your block. The ops know how we forward in the evening, no cap. In my rap, all I'm spitting is facts. Don't even smoke dead ops no more, I'm bigger than that. I'm getting older, plus I realise I'm realer than that. So put some gunshots in their bridges and go laugh for the gang.
Nah, this beat, man. But what you man say don't smoke dead ops no more. He's bigger than that. Fam, the man is showing us growth, maturity, bro. Man is saying like, yeah, fam, I get abs 17, but yeah, man, businessman, mogul. You understand? Like role model. You understand? Dog, big up abs, dog. This is sick.
Forward in the evening, no cap. In my rap, all I'm spitting is facts. Don't even smoke dead ops no more, I'm bigger than that. I'm getting older, plus I realise I'm realer than that. So put some gunshots in their bridges and go laugh for the gang. That's if they push me, I'm chilling.
Man said I'm getting older now, so I realize, but he's still on the gang shit though. Put some shots in their bridges and go laugh for the gang. Yeah, he's telling you, I'm getting older, so I'm kinda growing up, but I'm still abs though. Yeah, I'm saying I'm still fucking Mr. 17.
I'm realer than that. So put some gunshots in their bridges and go laugh for the gang. That's if they push me, I'm chilling, I'm a rapper now. Big cash stacker now. Brothers that will kill for me get slapped if you're acting wild. Cash money really turned me to a boss. I love the nigga that I am now. I was broke on my block. They couldn't play with my name to know. I've been in these.
Once I was broke on my block. Yeah, man, I'm telling you that money changes everything, fam. I feel like I'm breaking down everything at this point, dog. I just love this shit so far. And I'm only a minute in.
To a boss, I love the nigga that I am now. I was broke on my block. They couldn't play with my name to know. I've been in these streets knee deep. Couple niggas tuck their tails when the beef got peace. Not me, I grabbed my shank or the heat. I put my heart on my sleeve, I went to war for my G. How you a boss when you don't bring your brothers? Nothing but jail sentences and caskets. Nothing but fuck. Bare elbow when caught.
How? Listen this again, bro. Listen this again, bro.
My shank or the heat. I put my heart on my sleeve, I went to war for my G. How you a boss when you don't bring your brothers? Nothing but jail sentences and caskets. Nothing but.
How? You know bring the gang no money. You know bring the gang no what? You know what I'm saying? Bust the gang upon the plug. So how you are the boss, bro? You just a gid joke and watch your friend them get arrested and watch your friend them get packed, bro. You ain't no boss. Dog, that line, bro. Fuck with it, fam.
How you a boss when you don't bring your brothers? Nothing but jail sentences and caskets. Nothing but fuck. Bare elbow when cartridge. For my people, them I rise and bark. Yeah, I'm on target and I know this car made it that. I ain't trying to change it, fam. What? Put one in the head and come blaze it, fam. Them niggas know we blazing back. Niggas getting shot at and they blame man. Pretend on the net all you want, but niggas know we ain't playing act. Steppers them deb out. Big wax deb out. 2 liter dingers getting rev out. Better run when it comes to a stop. Ambulance will come for time and we spread out. I seen it all and done it all. No rap cap, I'm a bad man. Only thing I ain't done in these streets is Pac-Man. Feel like I was supposed to, I've really come.
The only thing left for him to do is to get the pack, fam. Alright, tell him go link up suspect, bro.
I'm a bad man. Only thing I ain't done in these streets is Pac-Man. Feel like I was supposed to, I've really come close to. Facts, minimum 3 when I shank, man. I'm a gangster, not a driller forever. Free my nigga Cash, we was drilling together. We was.
I think Cash is home now, though. Free Cash.
I'm a gangster, not a driller forever. Free my nigga Cash, we was drilling together. We was bad way before we got our bread up. I got faith that our days will get better.
They say they love me. They say they love me, but I don't know. Times that they left me all alone. Had to pick up myself and just keep going. Please don't waste my time. You told me you need me, yes or no. Remember in this world we was born alone. You think I put my trust up in this smoke?
Nah, I'm hearing that again, bro. Now the thing with Abs, bro, Abs versatile, bro. The man can rap calm, tell you what, go and can rap aggressive, tell you, I shot you, man, you know, bad blood. And then the man can start giving some melody. Please don't waste my time. Bruv, like, crazy, fam. Like, this is crazy.
We was bad way before we got our bread up. I got faith that our days will get better.
They say they love me. They say they love me, but I don't know. Times that they left me all alone. Had to pick up myself and just keep going. Please don't waste my time. You told me you need me, yes or no. Remember in this world we was born alone. You think I put my trust up in this smoke?
Gang, I, Abs. through abs, go through abs, go through abs. Gag. Yo, fam, I'm hyped.
You know,
I'm hyped.
Oh, well, no, we get
1-7.
Stretch free the Gillis 10 times.
Free the Gillis 10 times, free SJ a million times. Gang.
If I bang this weapon cam, then I might not make it back to Sade. When I'm on this glide, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate. Generally I'm violent, yeah. Send corny erratic. Ask girls when I see my target. I don't itch, I just grass it. Are you?
No, don't ask else, man. Else don't snitch, man. Don't snitch. Fucking hell, jeez. Whoa. I knew a drill beat was coming in now, bro, and I knew I had to prepare mentally for it today, but I just couldn't, dog. I couldn't. I did not expect this. I never expect the first song with everything. I know this. Jeez, let's just get through it, dog. Jesus fucking Christ, man. The video might end up being 20 minutes long if I start doing this shit again.
If I bang
Nah. Hear this beat, though.
Oh, well, no, we get right, get left, we get stretched free. So, you know, AB in the building, 7 shit. Oh, well, no, we get right, get left, we get stretched free the Gillis 10 times, you know. F's up or get a chest up, wear your vest, cuz. Yeah. If I bang this weapon cam, then I might not make it back to Sade. When I'm on this glide, everything's on break on a mission to wake up a man's estate. Generally I'm violent, yeah. Send corny erratic. Ask girls when I see my target. I don't itch, I just grass it. Really? That you claim in the lyrics that you spit? I don't think so. No. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro did chest shot bingo. Baby says she wanna hold this wet butt, will she tell her up? I don't think so. Is he a 10 plus 12 or 3 times 3? Line him and let 6 go.
Oh, is he a 2-2 or a 9er, bro? Is he fucking with the 2s or the 9? Christ. Man is making me do maths. Telling you, bro, drill is educational. This is about the 4th time I've listened to a song and the man they make me have to do some type of multiplication or addition. That's that, but fucking hell, this is going off.
I just grass it. Are you really that you claim in the lyrics that you spit? I don't think so. No. Machine man strangle it, tryna hit him like bro did chest shot bingo. Baby says she wanna hold this wet butt, will she tell her up? I don't think so. Is he a 10 plus 12 or 3 times 3? Line him and let 6 go. Yeah. On the streets, line him and let 6 go. Yeah. On the streets, man get respect, nice man inject, don't get a shit quef. Gunshot settings when I flex my index. Drilling keep silent, don't drill to impress. He keeps chatting about spin thing, but all night he ain't made no barrel spin. Yeah, we crashed his prison and his shit got tech when we robbed that brick and we didn't leave shit left. Run those, man, mate.
No. Flows, I'm hearing that again. Index, no.
On the streets, man get respect, nice man inject, don't get a shit quick. Gunshot settings when I flex my index. Drilling keep silent, don't drill to impress. You keep chatting about spin thing, but all night he ain't made no barrel spin. Yeah, we crashed his vision and his shit got tech when we robbed that brick and we didn't leave shit left. Yeah. Run those, man made rondos and still get drops and drew that pronto. I had no shank, so I hit him with a combo. Left that wounded, moving slow-mo. Better have it wet tucked in.
Free Izzy, man. Izzy said, that day that I have no shank, I had to hit with a 2-piece combo. Yeah, man, free is.
So I had no shank, so I hit him with a combo. Left that wounded, moving slow-mo. Better have it wet tucked in, fully locked and loaded. Tryna slide there is a no-no. Last time you all filled the bind. We put holes in a brick like polo. Sure. Watch your head back, watch your neck back, watch your chest and get a vest and go protect that. If I aim there, this Beretta gon' burn you down, you won't get up. I spent so much time that the G's won't let man. Most of my G's when Joey had a shortage of steppers. You know AB stepped up. Hospital thing with a flick on my wrist.
No. That flow, man.
Slide there is a no-no. Last time you all filled the bind. We put holes in a brick like polo. Sure. Watch your head back, watch your neck back, watch your chest and get a vest and go protect that. If I aim there, this Beretta gon' burn you down, you won't get up. I slept so much time that the G's won't let man. Most of my G's when Joey had a shortage of steppers. You know AB stepped up. Hospital thing with a flick on my wrist if I touch my finger. Know yourself, the gal want fuck, control your girl. No. I made too many men bleed in the streets, hoping I die, I don't go to hell. If I hit him with full from this hand thing, check his life points, that's a O for health. Creeping on up block, over stealth. Them men only get triggered on the net. Me, I used to get triggered and go for a spin. Turn that whip, reverse and skid. I swear that's him. Me, I might hop out the ride and beat it, or I might slap from the window, standard ting. Hopped out all black on the phantom ting. Sure. Lean with it and bang that stress. I ain't never been an actor. No. I'm logged in. Past the streets by my past, that's my 2-step factor. Yeah. You can say what you want by the kid, but the ops no but aim.
What?
Din, past the streets by my
what the fuck?
Phantom ting. Sure. Lean with it and bang that stress. I ain't never been an actor. No. I'm logged in.
I'm logged in.
Past the streets by my past, that's my 2-step factor.
Past the streets by my past, that's my 2-step factor. 2-step verification, 2-step signing. Fam, Abs is going off.
With it and bang that stress, I ain't never been an actor. No. I'm logged in, past the streets by my past, that's my two-step factor. Yeah. You can say what you want by the kid, by the ops, no, but AB, you get matched up. I see enough funny youths on the fence, so I act up. No. You don't wanna see 2 full clips in a ride driving like it's NASCAR. Headshots, send him to the sky like NASA. Yeah. Let me see your up trigger in my hand, bullet him, there, man, pulling it. Hangs with the ops too much, bullet him. Last time he lied him, but he's really pushing it. Little bro swings in the figure of 8, me I have full stops when I start shoving him. We don't think he's dead till he starts looking it. You can have this call, we got bags full of it. Yeah.
We don't think he's dead until he starts looking it. That's grimy. That's grimy as fuck.
Stops when I start shoving him, we don't think he's dead till he starts looking it. You can have this call, we got bags full of it. Yeah. Like that, ITC. Slap man on ITV. Sure. Last up that I crushed went hospital. Why even a shook when them guys see me? Free cash, free jug, yeah, that's my GG's. Now the man, them expensive like Fiji. Come from big huntings and laser beam. I'll say one word and I make a weed. No. Yeah, I rap by the drills that I done when I swung that shank or I clap that mash. Bear men tell you about the good times that they had, but they won't tell you when them good times went bad. No cap, I can tell you about times that I lack big 40 car cool and getting crashed on my back, but I still didn't fall. Next day I was back on the block with gang trying to step and crash. And I got this scar on my neck.
You see why I have to raid Abs, bro? Keep it real, fam. Man, keep it real. Bro, him never have to tell with that while ago, you know, bro. But he's just saying, fam. Niggas tell you when everything's good and they're getting people down and they're shooting at ups, but they're not telling you when the ups shooting at them. Or when them I get them down. Or when them I lose for them friend. You know what I'm saying? Niggas don't rap about that, man. But yeah, man, big up AB, bro. This is 100 out of 10.
Won't tell you when them good times went bad. No cap, I can tell you about times that I lack big 40 car cool and getting crashed on my back, but I still didn't fall. Next day I was back on the block with gang trying to step and crash. And I got this scar on my neck, car when it's crunch time. I never fold. No. Real life, I hold my own. You know. Little bro said, bro.
Yeah, I remember in that fucking thing, he did a like one little short film thing, and in drilling you could see the scar on Ab's neck, but we never know who gave him the scar. But him never tell me, but at least him address the scar. I'm telling you, bro, Abs keep it real. And see, another 20-minute review. Crazy.
But I still didn't fall. Next day I was back on the block with gang trying to step and crash. And I got this scar on my neck, car when it's crunch time. I never fold. No. Real life, I hold my own. You know. Little bro said, bro, let me hold this weapon. I said, no, I hold my own. No. Do it yourself mentality. Could be a tragedy, could be a casualty. Stay in your crib when I rise this pole. Pressure, man's giving up.
Flows.
No. Little bro said, bro, let me hold this weapon. I said, no, I hold my own. No. Do it yourself mentality. Could be a tragedy, could be a casualty. Stay in your crib when I rise this pole. Pressure, man's giving the ops them pressure. 3 booters in 2 days, that's pressure. Dishing out cool like the kindness gesture. Look, man, go thank your God you ain't dead, cuz. Man know the farm block pepper, still tryna red man's top like ketchup. Beat gunshot, made the trident fed up. Any up block man step get queffer. You know the fucking vibe already. Oh, F's up. I get a brass clock, chest up.
Oh, get your vest, cuz.
FMD, no.
What?
Brass clock, chest up.
Aye.
OFB, BWF, FMD, no.
Aye.
Gang. Sure.
Starish. Gag. Hey. Gag. Hey. Gag.
We got too much rappers and not enough slappers. He's a little liar. Pants on fire, like he never got shot out as a tire. Chest shot, make it leak like juice on an off block when they get chopped like fruit. Aim for your head, try split into 2, then I'm doing date night just near my boot.
Oh man, every time Abs release something in preview, something else, bro. That's a fucking brilliant strategy, bro. Everyone's thinking about your next release. But as I said, 100 out of 10. I really don't want to talk too much about this, dog. I feel like my reaction throughout the whole this explain it. It's 20 minutes long, bro. Like, this shit was amazing. 100 out of 10. Him sing, rap, keep it, show us both sides of the street life, the good side and the bad side. Grease, rudeness, bars. Like, man, flows, on time, on beat, crazy beat for the 2 of them. Like, bro, it's too much, fam. Too fucking much. But you don't know. Cogency or the Cogency rocks. Channel, how about this motherfucker, man? Peace. Wait. Click my links in the description. Gaming channel, music channel, Instagram. And yeah, tell me what you want me to react to next. Cogency and how about this motherfucker, man? Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for
reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you,